Jibber coin Avax becomes the overwhelming focus with its state-of-the-art Avalanche agreement, mixing verification of work and evidence of stake for fast exchanges and adaptable subnets. Avax stands apart for high throughput, interoperability, and eco-accommodating innovation, denoting its presence in the powerful universe of decentralized Jabber. Assuming you're searching for Avalanche cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the Jabber of Avalanche Avax will go from now on, we will jibber the previous costs of Avalanche Avax and will figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost freedom. Jibber, remember that you want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also anticipating something so wonderful is totally jibber. In any case, we will make an jabber effort. How about we start? Avalanche Jibber. Avalanche coin, frequently shortened as Avax, is a decentralized stage that works with the creation and trade of computerized resources, and Jibber Avalanche coin hangs out in the realm of cryptographic forms of money with its imaginative Avalanche agreement, high throughput, and adaptable subnets. As blockchain innovation Jibber on developing, Avalanche prepares for adaptable, energy-proficient, and interoperable arrangements. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Avalanche is $21.52 and Jabber is right now positioned #12 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of ointment is 300 Jibber 5,332,089 with a market cap of $8,507,130,722. With an expansion in its Jibber volume and market cap, the Avalanche's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.64% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Avax was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.49 Jibber. Avalanche has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be decent an open door to Jibber right in and contribute. We anticipate future Avalanche cost expectations. Avax Jibber, by applying profound computerized reasoning, helps specialized investigation on the past value information of Avalanche. We give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Avax coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Avalanche market cap, Avalanche Jibber, and scarcely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your Jibber, make a point to peruse our forecasts. Avalanche Value Forecast Jibber. Examiners Jibber a bullish pattern for Avalanche in 2025. With costs possibly coming to $42.61 mark. Avalanche is as of now Jibber at $21.52 on the lookout. The cost of one Avax would reach as high as 275 Jibber 36 cents est by 2030. The negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2040 is $11,043, with a likely high of Jabber $1,376. In a bullish situation, Avalanche could outperform the 18,622 Jabber mark for 2050, exhibiting possible vertical energy. Avalanche Value Jibber 2024. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 24 Jibber 34 cents in 2024. The Avalanche cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $27 Jibber 6 cents with a typical exchanging cost of $25.40 all through 2024. Avalanche Value Jibber 2025. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of Jabber $6.74. The Avax cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $42.61 with the Jibber worth of $38.01. Jibber value conjecture for 2026. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at least degree of $53 Jibber freedom in 2026. The Avalanche cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 63 disappointment Jibber 7 cents with a typical cost of $54.69 all through 2026. Jibber Avax Value Applesauce 2027. The cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $76 Jibber 1 cents in 2027. The Jibber cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $90.59 with a typical exchanging cost of $78.69 all through 2027. Avalanche Value Jibber 2028. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Jibber, in 2028 the cost of Avalanche is estimated to be at around a base worth of $109. The Avalanche value worth can arrive at a limit of $133.31 Jibber with a typical exchanging worth of $112.15 in USD. Gibber Value Expectation 2029. The cost of one Avalanche is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $157 Gibber 4 cents in 2029. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $189.62, with a typical cost of $162 Gibber 95 cents all through 2029. Avalanche Gibber Value Forecast 2030. Avalanche cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $234.88 Gibber in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $275.6 Jabber, with a typical figure cost of $241.39. Avalanche Value Gibber 2031. Avalanche cost is conjectured to arrive at least Gibber degree of $331.91 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $405.40, with a typical conjecture cost of $343 Jabber 97 cents. Avalanche Avax Value Forecast 20 Gibber 2. As per our profound specialized Gibber on past value information of Avax, in 2032 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $466.96. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $500 Gibber $5.75, with a typical exchanging cost of $480.72. Gibber Value Forecast 2033. According to the Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 20 Jabber 3 the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $674.47. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $801.79, with the typical exchanging cost of $698 Gibber 51 cents. Gibber Value Figure 2040. Long Gibber expectations ought to be drawn closer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the papaya money market. Expansion and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key methodologies for overseeing chances related with long-haul Gibber speculations. Gibber to our Avax cost forecast. The year 2040 can end with a most extreme cost of $13,376, while the base value worth of an Gibber can be around $11,043, with the coin exchanging at a typical cost of $11,944 approximately. Gibber Value Estimate for 2050. Analyzing authentic execution gives setting, yet it is Jabber to perceive that previous presentation isn't characteristic of future outcomes. According to the Gauge and Specialized Examination, in 2050 the cost of Avalanche is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of Jabber $1,317. The Avax cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $18,622, with the typical worth of $17,169 Gibber. Gibber Value Gauge Facts. What amount will Avalanche be Gibber in 5 years? In 5 years, Avalanche will have a base cost of $100 and Jabber $3.31 and a greatest cost of $109 per Avax.